In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to pin and unpin messages on Messenger. Pinning and unpinning messages on Messenger is a very easy task. However, in order to pin your message on Messenger, the first thing that you need to keep in mind is that you have to have your Messenger app updated to its latest version. So if you haven't updated your Messenger app, then the first thing that you need to go and do is go to your Google Play Store and from there update your app. And once you have updated your app, all you have to do is open your Messenger app. Once you have opened your Messenger app, you'll be on the chat space. From the chat space, here you'll have to choose the conversation that you want. And from the conversation, you'll have to select the message that you want to pin. You'll have to tap on the conversation for about 5 seconds. And after that, here as you can see, there are about 4 options, that is reply, save image, pin, and more. From here, all you'll have to do is tap on the option pin that is located on the third option. Once you have tapped on pin, here it is said that everyone in the chats can see pinned messages. So the pinning of messages can be done on a group chat or a personal chat as well. So tap on pin, and just like that, here as you can see, you have successfully pinned a message. And in order to unpin the message once again, all you have to do is tap on it for about 5 seconds, just like before. And once again, on the third option, there is unpin button. Tap on the unpin button, and as you saw, your message has been unpinned. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.